What's up, YouTube? This is FourthStarTCG, and I have my next XY5 opening, this booster box of Gaia Volcano. Very happy to get this in the mail, and let's crack right into it. So my first box of Tidal Storm was, I hate to say disappointing when I pulled a Primal Kyogre EX, but no full arts, and the full arts are really what I'm going for in this set. So hopefully this box of Gaia Volcano will make up for it. Get the plastic off of it here. And let's get started. 20 first edition packs. Of course, these are hot off the presses from Japan. I'm hoping very much to pull Primal Groudon EX full art. So, let's get all of these awesome packs out of here. And package back up the booster box. Throw it in the background. And let's get started. So our first pack of Gaia Volcano. Really hoping to get some epic pulls out of this, as the pulls weren't that epic out of our Tidal Storm booster box, our first one. So, starting it off, we've got a Breloom, Vibrava, Drillbur, Grovyle, and a Repeat Ball. Nothing out of the first pack, but there's usually nothing in these first packs of these booster boxes. I'm doing all of the pack opening and card tricks off camera because it's kind of hard, because these things have two advertisements in them, and you have to move one card from the back to the front. So we have an Ancient Magcargo, Vulpix, Trico, Nosepass, and a Ancient Holographic Rhyperior. That is just fantastic. Look at that card. Definitely one of my favorite cards out of this Gaia Volcano set. Wrestle some sleeves out of the package here. Sleeve it up. Our first pull is definitely an epic one with this holographic Rhyperior. Our next pack. Come on, full art. Full art Primal Groudon is the card I'm going for, but would not be disappointed with any full art. So we have a Bicycle, or I believe this is Acrobike, Linoon, Rhydon, a Zigzagoon, and an Ancient Medicham. Next pack here. So we got 3 EXs out of our first Tidal Storm booster box, which was pretty cool, but hoping for more, you know? So we have a Fire Stadium here. I don't know the exact name of it. An Ancient Electrike. A Rhydon, I believe. No, this is Rhy something. I'm blanking on the name right now. Shroomish. And Aggron EX. Very cool. First EX pull of this box. The quality of these EXs and the artwork is getting a lot better. I definitely like the new EXs in this set. Alright, next up. Another pack. Moving the 2 advertisements, and oop, dropped a card there. Dropped a Sceptile, but we're all good. No harm done. Meditite. I believe this is Volbeat. Can't focus in on Volbeat there. Come on. You can do it. Focusing issue there. Nidoran. There we go. Nidoran female, I believe. And a Ninetales. Alright, next pack. removing both advertisements. One card from the front to the back, or from the back to the front, sorry. Another stadium that I have no idea what it's called. Tangela, Trapinch, Ancient Bunnelby, and a holographic Aegislash. Very nice. Aegislash is one of my favorite Pokemon. Let's leave that Aegislash up and grab our next pack. Very happy I could get these X and Y5 openings to you guys as soon as I received these boxes in the mail. Alright. Excadrill, Ancient Torchic, Nidoran, Bunnelby, and an Ancient Excadrill holo. Beautiful. Really rocking it with the Ancient Pokemon holos here. Nice. Now they have sort of new abilities called Ancient Traits, which I believe this Excadrill allows it to attack twice, which is pretty crazy, and I wonder how these will do in the TCG when they come in February with the English Primal Clash set. So, remove both advertisements. It is kind of annoying that now they put 2 advertisements in with these, but no matter, just a little extra something to remove. Probopass, Slugma, Hippopotas, Vibrava, and a rare candy. Be a nice pull in English. On to our next pack. So 1 EX so far. Hopefully we can get something awesome out of these next couple packs. A Groudon Spirit Link, Nosepass, Doublade, Diggersby, and an Ancient Nidoqueen. Pretty cool. We have Maxie's Hidden Trick, Illumise, Combuskin, Drillbur, and a Rhyperior. Very nice. Starting to look like our Title Storm box. Only 1 EX so far, lots of holos. Let's hope for a full art soon. Teammates, Trico, Rhyhorn, that's what this one is, Rhyhorn, Honedge, and Nidoqueen regular. Our next pack. Come on, full art Primal Groudon. Alright. Breloom, Trapinch, Bouffalante, Grovyle, and a holo Hippowdon. Very cool there. Only 1 EX, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs left. So I am just finding out the pull rates for these sets. I've watched no openings, so I'm really, since these sets are so huge, I was sort of assuming the pull rates would be good, but we have yet to see. We have a Shield Energy, Rhydon, that's Rhydon, Ancient Electrike, Meditite, and a holographic Blaziken. Now that's cool. All right. Come on, let's get some really good cards in these next couple packs. All right. We We got a Tangrowth, Nidoran female, I believe, Shroomish, Torchic, and an Aggron Spirit Link. Coming down the home stretch here, and still only one EX. Alright. Ninetales, Tangela, Vulpix, Nidoran, and Mega Aggron EX. Oh wow, that's cool. Awesome. A Mega Aggron EX. Box is looking up, looking up. Beautiful. Mega Aggron EX. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. Let's get that full art Mega Aggron EX. We have a Sceptile, Hippopotas, Zigzagoon, Slugma, and a holographic Flygon. Four packs remaining. Hoping we have at least one EX left in this, and I'm hoping that it's a full art. Weakness Policy, Electrike, Ancient Bunnelby, Combuskin, and a Magcargo. 3 packs left. 3 packs. Come on, full arts. Ancient Nidoqueen, Doublade, Ancient Torchic, Diggersby, and Trevenant EX. Very nice. Very nice Trevenant EX there. Alright, on to our last 2 packs. Really hoping there's an EX full art in one of these remaining 2 packs. Repeat Ball, Honedge, Solrock, Vibrava, and a Tangrowth. Alright, here we go. Last pack of Gaia Volcano. Let's shake it up. What does Unlisted Leaf do? Blow on it? Blow on it? Alright, our last pack. We've gotten 3 X's out of this box, 2 regular and 1 mega. Let's get a full art. Let's get a full art. Alright, here we go. Ancient Magcargo, Drillbur, Grovyle, Vulpix, and a Hollow Manectric. So these boxes not looking very good so far. Unfortunately, I haven't pulled one full art. Definitely that stinks. 3 EXs. I mean, I have pulled a Mega in both of my booster boxes, but it does kind of stink to not be able to pull a full art out of 2 Japanese booster boxes where the set is gigantic. Alright, so here are the pulls. Holographic Manectric, Holographic Blaziken, Holographic Hippowdon, Aegislash, Flygon, a Ancient Excadrill Hollow, Ancient Rhyperior Hollow, Aggron EX, Trevenant EX, and Mega Aggron EX. So some pretty epic pulls, but unfortunately not what I was hoping for. So hopefully our final 2 boxes of Tidal Storm and Gaia Volcano will really make up for these lackluster couple of boxes. So thank you guys for watching this opening. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stick around for more videos.